Hey, what's up guys, VioTutorials on here, and today I'm going to show you how to install the Android 4.1.2 Jelly Bean XWLS8 official update on the Samsung Galaxy S2 GT-I9100. So let's start guys. Okay guys, first come to PC, and here you download this file. That link in description below is the Android 4.1.2 Jelly Bean XWLS8 VioTutorials.rar. So after downloading this file, extract the file using WinRAR. After the extracting file, open the extracted folder. Inside the folder, you have this file I9100 XWLS8, I9100 XXLS8, I9100 FOPLS3, home.tar.md5. Its size about 874 MB. Then you have the on3 version 3.04 folder, and inside the folder you have the on3 version 3.04 application. So just open this application right here. Then just select the PDF file as .tar.md5 file. Okay guys, now just come to device. Now first turn off your device by pressing power key, power off. Okay. After turning off your device, enter device in down mode by pressing volume down key plus home key. By holding both keys similarly, turn on your device. Okay guys, now the screen will appear here and saying warning, a custom OS can cause a critical problem in phone and installed applications. If you want to download a custom OS, press the volume up key, otherwise press the volume down key to cancel. So just hit the volume up key right here. Okay guys, now just connect your device to PC using USB cable. And after connecting your device to PC, you will get blue color over this COM port box. Now just hit the start button right here. After getting past this COM port box, just close the on and come to your device. Now just remove USB cable from your device. After rebooting your device, just turn off your device by pressing power key, power off. Okay. After turning off your device, enter your device into recovery mode by pressing volume up key plus home key. By holding both keys similarly, turn on your device. Okay guys, to use this recovery menu or recovery mode, to scroll down or up, use your volume rocker keys. To select any option from this menu, just press the power key. So let's start guys. First select wipe data factory set, then select S, delete all his data. Then select wipe cache partition. Then select the reboot system now. After rebooting your device, you will get this welcome screen from Samsung. Here to select your language that you want. Then hit the start. Next. Skip. You can connect your Wi-Fi connection on there. Then select your date and time. Then hit the next. Skip. Then connect your Google account right here. Next. You can enter your name here, then finish. Okay. So guys, after following this video, you have successfully updated your Samsung Galaxy S2 GT-I9100 to the latest Android 4.1.2 jailbin XWLS8 official firmware. So guys, thanks for watching. Subscribe, rate, comment. Please share this video. You can also like us on our Facebook page. That link in the description below. So guys, thanks for watching.